Welcome to Digital Nikitha. In this video, we'll talk about how to add a floating icon in Elementor. Open your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages. Open the page you want to edit and click on Edit with Elementor. Select the row. In the Elementor panel, search for Social Icons and drag the widget to your desired location on the page. Go to the Advanced tab. Click on the Advanced tab in the Elementor panel. Go to Column Select 4, go to Position and select Fixed Select Padding. Adjust the padding settings to position your floating icon as desired. You can follow the adjustments shown in the guide. Switch to the Design tab for more customization options. You can adjust the size of the icons from the Size option. To adjust the gap between social media icons, modify the row gap setting. Click Update. Once you are satisfied with the changes, click Update to save them. You can now see that the floating icon is set up on your page. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon for more updates.